Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Have you ever heard the expression mani mani?
Mani, mani, mani.
Oh no, I'm not talking about the ABBA song. Mani mani is an informal and very common Greek expression. It means very quickly, in no time. Τελείωσε mani mani και έφυγε. He finished in no time and left. It can also be used to urge someone to hurry up. Άντε, mani mani. Come on, quickly. Come on, hurry up. The etymology of this expression is very interesting. Mani mani comes from the Italian mano mano, which is a shortened form of di mano in mano, which means hand by hand, little by little. The Greeks seem to have borrowed this expression through centuries of contact with the Italians, but in Greek the meaning has changed. By using the plural mani, hands, instead of the singular mano, the Greeks express the idea that with many hands the work is done more quickly, and that's how the expression mani mani has come to mean very quickly. See you next time. Γεια σας.